We'll guide you through how to factory reset a laptop or PC to default. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Doing this is really convenient, as perhaps you want to go and sell it or give it away or go and dispose of it, and so you want to remove all of your data. So to go and get started, you need to head to the bottom of your computer and go and press on the Windows Start button. Now we need to go and open up your settings by clicking there. Alternatively, click on search and type in settings. On the left, you can go and select system, and you then want to go and scroll down and go and find the option for recovery. And then in recovery, find the option reset this PC. If you're struggling, you can go and use the find a setting option and type in reset. What we can then do is press reset PC, choose if you want to keep your files or remove everything. In this case, I want to remove everything. Choose how you want to go and reinstall Windows. I'll personally do a local reinstall. You can then go and see the current settings and you can press next. You can go and see what resetting is going to go and do here, and the note is it's going to take a while and your PC will restart. If you're sure, you can press reset.